I don't have any call outs this morning. None whatsoever. Oh, let me shut the door. How are y'all doing this morning? Said what I said. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I think it's Glo's birthday today. Is it Glo's birthday? No. Ben Grego's. Oh, Glo's birthday's not to the 15th. Damn it. Happy heavenly birthday, Uncle Ben. I said what I said. Good morning, everybody. I said what I said. The devil. With the devil. With the devil. I said what I said. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody on TikTok. How was yesterday? Was yesterday not a fantastic trading day? Maybe one of the best trading days I've ever had, actually. Well, I don't know about the number of trades, but oh, we didn't get the tags in there? Really? Hold on 1 second. The devil. I said what I said. Give me just a second getting a few things set up. I'm not even on TikTok yet. Let's try this again. We need to put this in here. I'm going to put it in here. Double boop boop. I believe we're all set. At least I can see you guys now, I think. Let's see. Yes. Yay. Oh, morning, everybody. Let me get TikTok up and running. Gonna be the devil. I said what I said. Gonna be the devil. Oh. I said what I said. All right, we're up on TikTok. Let's see the good mornings. Let's see what's everybody up to. Let's see what we shall see. In the devil. I said what I said. It's a little low. In the devil. Morning, everybody. Morning, Sergio. Morning, Ranch Girl. And I said what I said. Thank you, Ranch Girl, for being both on TikTok and YouTube today. Appreciate that. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Morning, Bob. Good morning, Bob Ooten. All right. Number one, Bob Ooten. Number one, Sergio and Ranch Girl. Good morning, all of you. Going to look over here on TikTok. Good morning, Amy Lou. Amy Lou, you're number one. How cute is that? Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Chad Crabtree. Good morning, Blessed Life FX. Good morning, Ryan Sayman. Good morning, George D. Good morning, Maria Toler. Good morning, Maria and Steve. Good morning, Robel. What's up, Robel? Good morning, Stephen Cowie. Yay. Good morning, Guy Berger. Good morning, Weska 0824. Good morning, Philly. Good morning, BHB. Good morning, Bob Ooten on both places. Thank you, Bob. Good morning, Yolanda. Good morning. Where are we at? Printing money since 4 a.m. Congratulations, Robel. That's what I want to hear. Yay. Good morning, Mike Moy. Good morning, Byron Harris. God bless you all, by the way. Good morning, One Polygot. Good morning, Nahum. Let's see what Nahum's name is. Ethio Forex. Good morning, sir. These are the trades from yesterday. I have no trades open from today. None. I'm going to show you a little something here in a minute. Good morning, Rosh Basnet. Good morning, Terry Gross. Thank you, Bob. I hope you made some money too, sir, but thank you for the congratulations. Yes. Extremely, extremely happy. I haven't had that good of a trading day. And I think pre-going live with you guys, I don't think I've ever had a day that good in the last year on YouTube. Yeah, that was a very, 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 very blessed day. Good morning, Jerry Frickle. Good morning, Caribbean GTR. Good morning, Tom Williams. Good morning, John C. What's up, buddy? Good morning, Everyday Well Systems. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Mick Crazy Data. You don't go live on TikTok yet. Yeah, don't do that. That's not good. Don't repeat yourself, Mick Crazy Data, or you're going to get blocked in 2 seconds. Good morning, Johan Soaz. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Good morning, Everyday Well System. I'm glad you enjoyed that. Yeah, I'll tell Mike. I'll tell my brother. Good morning, Ranks. Uh-oh, looks like Crazy Dude's going to get blocked here. Good morning, Mr. Noble. And by the grace of God, we are here. Yes, sir. Good morning, EA8851. You guys can't hear me? Is that right? Good morning, BHB. Good morning, Builder Vlas. Mick Crazy Data. Please don't keep posting. Just chill out and relax. Good morning to you. Good morning, Philly. Good morning, Johnny Green. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Christy. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Muna. Good morning. Good afternoon, Arlene Magumbe. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Laland. Annie Laland. Good morning, Shuki. Good morning, Blessing Ahala. Good morning, Christopher Duckworth. And I think that's all the good mornings. Can you guys hear me okay on both? Good morning, KR15, Ken's brother. KR15, does that make you Kevin? I'm not sure. Ken has a lot of brothers. All right. Let's see what we see. Oh, you can't hear me? Good. Thank you, Bob. Good morning. Let's get this money. Yes, CJ Steed. Yes, sir. Good morning. What do you know, Kev? I remembered your name. I'm not good with that either. Thank you, BHB, for letting me know. Thank you, Michael Moyan, for letting me know. All right, let's see what money we can find today. Oh, wait. So this is what we have. This is my trades from yesterday still rolling. Boy, oh boy, was that a blast. I'm going to show you, maybe. I'm going to show you my account history of those last several trades. Let me pull it up, though, real quick. I think these are my last 8 or 10 trades. And hold on one second. Oh, yeah, that's funny. My cameras are real sensitive. They pick that up. I said what I said. Give me just a second here. The devil. With the devil. With the devil. And I said what I said. Okay. These are my last, I think, 8 or 10 trades. Right here. And I want to point out one in particular. There's a $5,800 loss on this trade right there. Man, my left eye is torn up. Anywho, this trade tapped me in. It was a buy stop that I had placed, and I didn't realize it until, boy, about 10 minutes into trading, I think it was, 5-10 minutes, whatever it was. And then I looked up, and I was like, what the fuck? Because I only had, like, my showing of the 2 trades or whatever it was. So when it tricked in, it didn't show on my screen. And because I only have the ones that I trades I have open and active for you guys, I didn't see it. So it ran to $5,800 loss. Of course, I was up 71 grand at one point yesterday and have all kinds of trades running now. But nonetheless, so that was a little bit of a bummer. So when I saw that, I was like, fuck. But other than this one trade yesterday, it was just a picture perfect trading day. That was just gorgeous. And these are the ones we placed at open. They were in place since about 5 that morning. So that's all. I just wanted to point that one out to you. And of course, these are my current trades right there. I don't have any other trades going besides those. So there you go. And then that's just in the one account. Again, I have 7 accounts. Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Hold on one second. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning, Stefan. 087. All right, so let's take a look. We're in I'm still in this trade. This is an ER. I'm going to go through my trades I'm currently holding and why I'm holding them. CJ Steed said, absolutely phenomenal. Thank you, CJ. All right, so these trades that I'm holding, let's go over them one by one to see why I'm holding them, what I'm looking at. We went into ad nauseum yesterday about, what exactly. So let's start with this one. This is our gold one. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. The gold right here, oh, damn, and it did it again this morning. Fuck. All right, let's take a look at gold. Here's gold. This is 15-minute. Yep, 15-minute gold. All right, let's go down here. We'll go to 30. Now, damn, look at gold. That was a perfect play. What time did this break? What time is it here? It is 14:45. It broke somewhere around here. 1900. So I'd say about 4 hours ago. So it broke at about 3:50. So somewhere around 3:30, 4 o'clock, probably around London session open. All right. I'm going to go over all the trades, why I'm still in them, and then we'll go over what the call outs are going to be. Okay. Around 6. Oh, thanks, OG. Because that was around 6 a.m. Everybody else, Kevin, I've watched session with your brother 4 times. All right. Thanks. Nice. Boy, is that going to help you out. Good morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning. Thank you again, OG for the time period, because I'm not good with that, converting them. But yeah, so this is a buy side. Okay. So this is what happens when I'm looking at trades. So I took this trade yesterday. Let's go back to yesterday. This is gold. This is gold with a broken look right here. This is perfection is what this is right here. Okay, so here you go. We're on a 15-minute. I love running the 15-minute, 15-minute, no matter what this shows up here, by the way. I know this confuses a lot of people. This is the 30-minute. This is a 15-minute, but you'll see this always wrong up here. Sometimes you won't even see my trades. Sometimes the bars don't show. This is what happens with floating charts. Sometimes they work really, really good, and sometimes they confuse the heck out of people. That's why I cover these up, because it's showing a US 30-15, but 90% of the time will show the wrong time period. And that really confuses you guys. So I don't show it. I just keep it covered. I can't cover these. This is what I use to move back and forth. But anyway, and then the actual time of the chart is right here, M15. This is the actual chart time that we're on. But anyway, so this is gold. Why did I take gold yesterday? Well, it was a green, 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 red buy stop, but you couldn't have took it the original way with just the system, because the red Bach broke, so I couldn't take it. But with the red Bach breaking right here, right, against the non-Bach break, so it went from green to red, and then this is our green, right? So because it did this when it was a Bach break, meaning it turned from green to red, but it didn't turn to green here, and this is a buy stop on the 30-minute, I took it. Now, there's rules on the sniper and how that works. Let's take a look at the sniper. This is gold 15-minute, 30-minute, but I'm going to go ahead and flip it over to gold 15-minute, 1 hour, because there's going to be new revised rules coming out for the sniper, where you can take a 15-minute, 30-minute trade, or you can take a 15-minute, 30-minute trade, or a 15-minute, 1 hour trade. I said that twice, didn't I? But you get the idea. So watch. So right here, let's go back. This is yesterday, why I took the trade. This is why I'm in the trade I'm in, okay? So yesterday, it was doing all kinds of bullshit. It opened, blah, 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 blah. But watch. The box saw through it. The sniper saw through it. So what you have, number one, is the higher time frame. In this case, the 1 hour, was it flat and up? By flat and up, the blue line. Pink is low. You can see it down here. You can see the blue line is up towards the top of the indicator. And it is. So there you go. Number one is true. Number two. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Number two, did the blue line dip down? Yes, it did. Blue line, 15-minute, flat at the bottom. See, pink's up high. This is down low. Blue line is flat at the bottom. Yep, it is. Number three, did the pink line, on this case, the 1 hour, join it? Yep, you can see clearly that the pink line dipped down against it. Number four, was there a buy stop? Yep, there was. And was there a buy stop with a broken Bach? Yes, there was. So let's see what we shall see. Dream, the impossible dream. Da-da, da-da-da-da-da. All right, here we go. So how does this look in real life? Number one. Down here, you look. This is hours, by the way. So for the hour, is the blue line up high? And I can move this back a little bit. Yes, it is. Flat and up high. 15 minute. 2, did the 15 minute dip down? Yes, it did. 3, did the pink dip down with it? And you can see it came down right here. That white blob is the future. You can't see it except our indicators can. Oops, sorry. This is 3 over here. My bad. We got to move this back. Sorry. We can't, the 15 minute doesn't run. That's the problem. So we got to move this back. I can move this one forward. Can I move this one forward? I think I can. No, I cannot. It's not like TradingView. Oh, fuck it. Let me go over to TradingView real quick. Hold on. I said what I said. All right, let's see TradingView so we can see it a little bit easier. And let's go over to ERUSD. Sorry, guys, give me just a second here. I did forget this is the only part about TradingView that kind of sucky. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, here we go. So we're on TradingView. Same setup. Yeah, we can work with that. I do believe my time in was 44. Yep, that would be it. Okay. So now we're on TradingView. Back to TradingView. Here we go. All right. Same exact setup. Number 1 is the blue line on the 1 hour ERUSD flat. It is. Number 2, did the blue line on the 15-minute dip down? You can see clearly that's dipping down. Number 3, did the pink dip down with it? Yes, it did. Number 4, was there a buy stop? Yes, there was. You put your buy stop right above the line here, or on the line technically here. And then, of course, the rest is that. And that's where we're at. So why did I stay in it? Well, it's green, 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 green. And now we're seeing another buy stop form here. And, of course, another buy stop form here. So if I can stay in this trade, I will. You can see the pinks reloading. You can see the it's still high. You can see the dip down. So I'm going to call out a 15-minute buy stop, EURUSD. 15-minute buy stop, EURUSD. And I'm not going to close down a winning trade right here when there is a buy stop forming. If I'm in a buy and there's a buy stop that's forming, I'm not going to close down the trade. So a lot of you guys get confused on when to close trades down. You let them run until what? Until I hit take profit on that one. Okay. Sorry, I was talking about gold. I flipped over to ERUSD. I'll go to gold now. But that's all. So on the ERUSD trade, 15-minute buy. And then I'm staying in the trade because you can clearly see on the higher time frames. Let's go up here a little bit. Sorry, I flipped the symbols on you. I'm tired this morning. See the 1 hour still coming down to touch. Yeah, no, there's everything about this trade is still buy. So if it whips down and touches my take profit, I'll go ahead and take profit. I'll be glad to tap out of the trade, and that's it. But the reason why I stay in trades long is when they're still forming these 1 hour, 15-minute, 30-minute, blah, blah, buy stops, I'm going to keep taking the trade. I don't stop. So look, now this is our 1 hour trades down here. This is gold. You can clearly see gold is still high on its blue line. You can see the dip right here on gold, and it did the same thing. So I'm staying in the gold. That's why I'm still in gold. Now, what will gold do? Let's go up to here and take a look. 4 hour. That's a 4 hour buy too. Nope, not doing it. Daily. It is turning into the 4 hour sell stop, but not yet. It isn't. There's a 4 hour daily sell. See, it's going to go up a little bit higher in touch. So there's no way. I'm going to let this run until it hits my take profit, and I'll be thrilled with that. Because if it goes up above the daily like it did over here, you're looking at another $29 an ounce I can make on this trade, which is what it did right here when it formed its M last week. Weekly is a buy. I can be literally at the very peak bottom of this. This can literally go up from here. Gold can go up $242 more an ounce. Yeah, no, I'm not going to sell my gold at all. I'm going to hold this trade until I get tapped out or until I'm up $200 more an ounce. So I hope you guys understand why I would keep the trade, why I'm in this trade, how I got into this trade. So that was gold and ERUSD. Now gold has already did its 15-minute buy for today. I'm not going to go any more into that. I'll read gold out in a minute. All right, so that's gold, that's ERUSD. That's the two trades I have, and then I'm holding. Okay, you still have a 15-minute buy stop, ERUSD. 15-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line, ERUSD. We'll get into the rest of the ERUSD in a second. Now SPX, my other trade right here. SPX. We had a yesterday right here. We'll go back. You had a clear. I'll get rid of this for us too. This is going to be SPX 500. Why I took the trade and why I'm still in the trade. All right. So number one, SPX 500 had a clear blue line, high blue line on the sniper. Number two, you had your dip down. Let me make sure where we're at on the dip, though. I don't know because we're going back a day. Yep, this is it right here. You had a clear dip down right here on the blue line's 15-minute against the raised up blue line. So that's the reason why you take the trade alone. Confirmations were the pink came down, and 4, you can clearly see the buy stop. So in this case, on SPX, you could have used just the original system, green, 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 red, green, green, without the sniper and been perfectly fine. That is a buy stop, perfectly fine. So why did I stay in this trade? Well, again, we literally know where it's going to. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So why did I stay in this trade? Well, let me show you again how it looks. Sorry. You guys like to see how this stuff forms. So watch right here. You can clearly see, oh, the future. You can't predict the future. Well, with my indicators, you can predict the future with near 100% accuracy. So number one, do we have SPX 500 blue line on the sniper flat and high? We do. Number two, does it dip down? Yes, it does. Number three, does the pink line come down with it? Yes, it does. Number four, was there a buy stop, which is right here? Yes, there is. So again, it's hard to do this because of the differences of the thing. It looks like it's off. It's not off. These are 15-minute candles versus the 1 hour. So no, the pink had dipped down. It dipped down way back here. You can clearly see it dip down. Then this formed right here. So that's the order. And you can see the dip down right there. It's just that they're not centered. They're centered when it's live. It's not centered when it's not. But at any rate, it doesn't matter. So that's your buy stop. Put it right here. Up it goes. If that sounds complicated, I hope it doesn't. It's very, 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 very easy. Okay, so now what does it form? Well, now as we look at it, why did I stay in the trade? Well, here you go. 1 hour. Yep, went up to the blue line. It's ricocheting off, going back up to the blue line on the 1 hour. What about the 4 hour? Yep, we're past it. What about the daily? Daily looks to me like a daily, weekly buy stop. So you can clearly see that this is red, red, green, green, red, and this is a weekly green, green. So we have a broken block against a non-broken block. Let me show you what it looks like here. So why am I staying in this trade? Because this looks eerily familiar. I'm not going to say that we don't have a sell before then, But if I can avoid that sell and keep in this trade, we might have a shot at a daily, weekly buy. That means this trade can literally go up, possibly without getting tapped out, 200, well, I'd say close to about 250 to 300 pips on SPX 500. So I'm going to hold the trade with that possibility of it doing that on a higher time frame. I do understand that there is a 4-hour daily sell stop that's probably going to engage before then and pull me down. Not saying it won't. I'm just saying there's a possibility of me surviving that and me getting the daily, weekly. Well, I'm going to take that possibility. I'm going to wait and hold. Now, as far as this one right here, which is my NAS, as far as the NAS goes, let's take a look. The NAS trade that I'm currently in, by the way, my US 30 did tap me out. It's already gone, took my profit. The reason why we went into the trade on NAS 100, running with the devil. All right, NAS 100, 1 hour. Okay, was high. Pink line dipped. Okay, so we're going to go back to yesterday. This was yesterday. Here you go. The blue line. So the 1 hour blue line on the 1 hour chart of NAS 100 was high, blue. The 15-minute blue line dipped down. 3, the pink came down. 4, there was a buy stop. Again, you could have took this trade without the sniper. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Just a lot handier with the sniper. A lot easier right there. Same exact trade, but you get this confirmation that it's never wrong. Boom, buy stop in it. Now, again, why did I stay in the trade? Well, currently we're in another 15-minute buy, so that's fantastic. All right, so but here's a little higher time frame look. We're going to go to the 1 hour again. We're going to look in a book. Reading Rainbow. 1 hour was forming another 1 hour buy stop right here the whole time. 4 hour. And are we, by the way, hold on a second. Yes, we are hit. Let me see another thing. And another way I also judge these things, have we hit the 1 hour blue line of US 30? We have not. So I fully expect another 300 pip rise on US 30, which means another 150 pip rise on NAS today, probably actually, and another 50-ish point rise on SPX. So I'm just holding these trades based on the 1 hour US 30. I'm holding the trades based on the daily, weekly buy stops. And that's it. So I'm going to keep holding these trades until my take profit is hit. So that's why I'm in these trades. That's why I took the trades, and that's why I'm staying in the trades. Does that make a little bit of sense to everybody out there? Good morning, Becky. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Did any of that? Good morning, Jason L. Just saw you, buddy. Good morning, Jason L. Good morning, D Nice. All right, so I'm just trying to explain that. I hope that helped you guys and didn't confuse you. Good morning, Sam I am. All right. So that is, please, everybody on TikTok head to YouTube, and everybody on YouTube head to TikTok, please. All right, so this is why I took those trades that I'm currently in, why I took them. We have news at 8:30, okay? So I'm in my my trades. They're locked in profit. I give a fuck less what they do with news other than they're going to dip down, take my stop loss or my take profits, and then I'm going to be out the trades, but that's okay. Yes, sir, very clean. Good morning, Kendall. Morning, Boost. Morning, Dyson. Da, 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 da. No, 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 no. Oh, all right. Well, I hope you guys have that and got it down. At least you can watch back then later and see. But anyway, so I'm staying in those trades. I was doing it with Naz all morning. Miss Noble said, all of that makes sense. I was doing that with Naz this morning. All right, well, let's take a look. News in 20 minutes. I'm going to whip through all our little symbols first. Before then, screw news. Don't play it if you're not comfortable with it. Just stay out. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Daz. If you guys just are joining, I just went through an explanation of why I took my trades yesterday and why I'm still in some of them. Let's see. What do we have? We're going to go through U.S. oil, which is the same as UK oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, JPY, USHF, ERUSD, SPX, NAS, and US 30 right now. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. And I do have a couple of demo trades open here from the other day. Yep, not much yet. So we're still just holding on to those. Those are my Nadex ones. In the devil. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, everyone. US 30, 1 minute broken Bach. US 30, 1 minute broken Bach. Let's take a look. In a book, Reading Rainbow. I can't do. Okay, US oil first, though. 1 minute, sell stop. 5 minute. Missed it because I was talking and rambling on earlier. 5 minute, 15 minute, too late. It was a sell, too late. Where's she blowing to, though? Can I get a blow to? 5 minute? Is it a 5 minute? I can 15 minute. Let me get this shit thing out of the way. 15 minute. Is it a 15 minute? Let's see. Can, nope. 30. 15:30, 1 hour, 1 hour. Nope, 4 hour. Yep. 1 minute sell stop. So the 4 hour blue line, US oil, UK oil. Then what does she form? She's forming a 30 minute, 1 hour buy. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop, US oil. Then what is she forming? Daily, nothing. Daily, nothing. Daily. 4 hour. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. Daily, weekly buy. Weekly. I'd rather not get into that. It's weekly buy and monthly buy, but I'm not going to go there. XRP, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. XRP, 1 minute. Let me see something really quick. Let me see if Bitcoin has not. Bitcoin, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. All right, XRP, back to XRP. 1 minute buy. 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Nope, going up. 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. 5, 15, 15, 15. It's going to come up, form a 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop XRP. So 1 minute, 5 minute buy, 15 minute, 30 minute sell. 1 hour, 1 hour, nothing. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 nothing. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily, we got to get my blue line back. 4 hour, hold on, we got to get this smaller. Hate when I have to train with that. That fucks up all my things. I can do anything. There we go. Nope, doesn't matter. Daily, weekly. Weekly, daily. Daily sell stop. Sell stop XRP. Weekly sell stop XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. 1 minute Ethereum. Buy stop. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop. Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I'll get to Bitcoin in a second. Sorry. To the 5 minute blue line. 15 minute sell. 15 minute, 30 minute. Nope. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop. Ethereum. 4 hour, nothing. 4 hour daily sell. Daily sell stop. Weekly to the weekly. Well, that sucks. Ethereum weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Ethereum. Bitcoin. I can do anything. 1 minute buy stop Bitcoin to the 5 minute blue line Bitcoin. Forming a 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop Bitcoin. 1 hour. Nothing. 4 hour. 4 hour daily. Nope. Daily, weekly. Ooh. Daily, weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Next, GBB JPY. GBB JPY. 1 minute. 1 minute. Looks like she's already blowing up here. What's going on? Let me make sure on this one. GBB JPY. 5 minute. Yep. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. It's too late. You're too late to enter this trade. 50. You can see it clearly. I'm not going to get into the details with you. You can see it from a mile away. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour sell. Yep. 4 hour daily sell stop. Daily, weekly buy stop. And that's all I'm going to call on JPY. Let's go over UDCHEF. UDCHEF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. You can clearly see it with this 4 hour right here. This is 4 hour buy stop. ERUSD will be the complete opposite. It'll be a sell stop. Okay. The URL for options trade. It's just you type in NADEX, Mike. You just type it in. There is no URL. What are you talking about, my brother? NADEX. Indices.com. Okay, there you go. I'm live, my brother. Good morning. All right. Now, that was randomly on. Okay. Oh, sorry. And I got to get going before that new shit. All right. Where were we? EURUSD. So let's head on over then. 1 minute. ERUSD. Sell stop. 1 minute. 5 minute. Will it go down that low? It might. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. I don't think it's going to do that, though. All this is doing is forming a 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop. Yeah, so we're in a 30 minute, 1 hour. All this is doing is dipping down. I hope I have enough room. I don't think I will. It's going to dip down. Then it's going to come back up. It's going to do a buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. So I hope I can survive this. It doesn't tap me out. It's going to go up and do that. All right, EURUSD 3 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour sell stop EURUSD. Daily, weekly sell stop. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line EURUSD. That's where she's going to. SPX 1 minute. Buy stop. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. I can do anything. Did we go down here and hit? Let's see. That was last night. Hold on. Interesting. We came close. Let me see where we're at with the rest of these. 15 minute buy. 15 minute buy SPX. To the 1 hour blue line SPX. 4 hour sell stop SPX. 4 hour daily sell stop SPX. They're probably going to announce some kind of shit news and drop this crap. Arch it up and then drop it. But anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. And that's it. Weekly, monthly, don't really care. It was already a buy. You're already in it. Okay. NAS 100, 1 minute. One minute buy stop. Four-hour daily sell stop. We might be getting into the time for our 4 hour sell stops, just saying. This might be where we're heading to. All right. But play the 1 minute buys. You can stay in them. That's fine. US 30, just make sure you lock in profit. US 30, 1 minute. Buy stop. I don't like that. 1 minute officially buy stops, but I'm going to say unofficially. I don't like the fact that none of these have gone down. Nah, I don't like that at all. Officially, 1 minute buy stops, all three indices. Unofficially, 1 minute sell stops, all three indices. Play that how you want. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. US 30. Forming a Nope, still in it 1 hour. That's why I'm in it daily, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour daily sell stop. Yeah, I'm holding mine. I don't give a fuck. Gold. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Gold. 15 minute, nothing. To the blue line. Do we hit it? 30-minute blue line, 1 hour blue line. I would play any 1 minute buy stop to the 1 hour blue line, even if they just wick you up, even if they shoot it up for a second, I would do that. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily sell stop to the daily blue line, gold. Weekly buy stop, gold. Weekly, monthly buy stop, gold. So there you go. Now let's get into some specifics here for the movement. All right. I personally think that this is still too far. I'd like a pullback, a really good pullback on this. Will we get it, though? It's kind of late. What time is it? 8:20. I don't know if they're going to do that. Oh, they may. All right. With any kind of bullshit news, number one, don't play it. Number two, remember, I'm not a financial analyst, never want to be, advisor, whatever. Never to pretend to be. This is all bullshit anyways. I wouldn't listen to the word, anything I'm saying ever for any reason. Clear? So with my disclaimer out there, the way I see this working out, if the news is worth anything, is a CPI. I don't know what the fuck it is. I don't really care. Good morning, Matt Parker. Oh, check on silver. Yes, I will. Good morning, Glow. Happy almost birthday to you. Want a DM with user overnight trade. Good morning, Daz. Want a DM with user overnight trade. What's that, Patrick? Patrick, are you trying to tell me something? You want me to go over to the messages here? Is that what you're saying? No, I don't see anything. That's weird. Oh, do I want a DM with you? Oh, yeah, Patrick, of course. Always send me over your trades overnight. Yes, sir. What's up, D-Haas? What's up, Erica? Check on silver. Yes. Let me go and explain this in case this is any kind of news today. I thought they usually release news on Fridays or something, maybe Wednesday too. It's like, yeah, some really nice 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops forming. So as I was saying, I would not trade 8:30. Stay out of it. If you're going to trade 8:30 news, make sure you lock in your profits. Number two. Number three, you're going to have to move really fast. And I would say about 80% of the time, if they're going to jerk it, they don't allow us retail traders to fulfill our orders in a timely manner. So if you have your stop losses in place, that means there could be some slippage and they don't fill it for you. So don't get upset if that's the case. Okay? Don't get upset if that's the case. That's all I can tell you. I'm at full knowledge that if I keep my take profits in where they're at, that I might not make as much as what I'm planning on doing. So I'm not worried about that. All right. Now, sent and shared. Okay, let me see. He put it over here. I'm assuming to this thing. Yep, there we go. Oh, nice. Congrats, hey, Patrick. I'm so happy for Patrick. I'm so glad he came back and stuck with it. German 30 buy. 83 sell stop. Nice. Patrick made some money overnight. Why can't I like his little thingy here? Hold on. Nice. All right, let's show it. I know Patrick doesn't mind. Where is my Discord at? Hold on. I don't have it open. There we go. This is a trade sent in from one of our members. Great guy, super nice guy, really, really good guy. Patrick is his name. Right here are his trades from overnight. Looks extremely. Can you guys see that? I'm not sure you can. Good morning, Tony Broiled. Hey, good morning, Keith. What's up, Keith? Just saw you. The great, outstanding, amazing Keith Palmer's in the house. The myth, the man, the myth, the legend kind of thing. Keith is the one who coded, hey, our scanner, speaking of which, I've yet to open back up. Oh, my goodness. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. Let's see, where's our... Where did my thing? Thank you again, Keith, for everything you do for us. Appreciate it, sir. There we go. Keith is the gentleman who created this great scanner, which I haven't used the last couple of days, actually, which we're about to use today, though. I just never pulled it up, which is because I kind of have a few other things rolling around here. But anyway, this is Patrick's Trades. Looks to me to be a $5,780 trade on German 30, which I hate. German 30, the trade's perfect. That was a buy. NAS is $2,284. That buy. SPX 500 was a buy, $856. US 30 was a buy, $8,000. US oil was a sell. Yeah, that was minus 337. Interesting on that call. He also did a buy, $83, oil and gold of 1,871. Fantastic, Patrick. Congratulations, my friend. Much needed for him and much deserved. He stuck with it. Patrick's one of our fellows that kind of came in at first, I think almost a year ago, quit, came back, and now he's making like $600,000, $700,000 so far this year. So it can be done. Y'all just need to have a little patience, stick with things, figure it out, and then you'll start seeing things quite clearly. Now it is literally 4 minutes if there's going to be any kind of news. In a book. It's in a book. We have 3 minutes, any kind of news. I don't know what kind of news it is. I wouldn't play it. If you're going to play it, look for 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops. Or if you really, really want to go out there in la la land, we can go over to here and we can go in, and I would put this in like this. Trading, sell stop. And then just put it way right there and wait. It's going to be a long time if that's going to hit it. But if they drop it hard, you can actually make a little money on it. I'm already in my buys, so I'm not going to do anything other than put in these sell stops right here. Right there. So that if they drop this hard, I can catch some of the action. But again, I'm already in my buy stops. I'm not opening any buy stops. If you guys want to, you can open up 5 minute buy stops. That's all. That's all. All right, so there we go. I can do anything. Officially, we still have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stops to the US 30 and SPX blue lines. So that's what we have. Officially, we have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stops to US 30 and SPX blue lines. We also have 4-hour sell stops. And there you go. Now I'm going to take off this one right here because we don't have blue lines. We already did this. Boop, 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 boop. Yep, these are all correct. So this is what I'm going to stick with this right here. So you guys can play like how you want to play this little news or not. I don't care. As soon as the news is done, we'll move on. Nice, Patrick. Congratulations again, Patrick. I don't know what the question mark is for. User 3969, I don't know what the question mark is for. Thanks for everything, Keith. All 15-minute, 30-minute runs. It's all in the charts, folks. Absolutely, Patrick. Great morning. It is a great morning. Another day above. Thank you, God, for another day of above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Another day of 100% physical health, mental health, spiritual health. Patrick's an inspiration trader and a damn good human. Yes, he is. Absolutely. All right. Now I'll look at silver. Well, damn. Don't let me forget about silver, please. Silver and gold. I haven't looked at silver. I'm going to have to pull it up. Silver and gold. One is other. If this is the news, hold on. Don't let me forget about silver, please. I want to check that. All right. This is some kind of news. Let's see what she does. Took profit on one. Buy stop. Da, 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 da. You know what I'm trading. What am I trading right here? What is this? Da, 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 da. Let's see if I can get in. That's the pullback I wanted to see. Buy stop. 1 minute, 5 minute. See, that big movement doesn't even show a blip on the 15 minutes, just so you guys are clear on that. I know some of you never learned that. Buy stop. 1 minute across the boards. Just wait. I don't give a fuck if the shit dips or not. Doesn't matter. Woo! Almost took my take profit, though. Oh, shit. Damn. Almost tagged my take profit on NAS. Oh, I don't like the looks of that. Stay away. Stay away. Please flip it back. Go back up. Shit. I mean, I'm not going to complain. It's about 7,000, I think. So if it dips down, that's fine. All right. There's the touch of the blue lines. That's what I figured was going to happen. It was a 1 minute official buy stop. It was a 1 minute unofficial sell stop to the blue lines. We have a blue line touch on NAS. We have a blue line touch on SPX. We have a blue line touch on... Isn't that amazing how they all went right to the blue lines? Anyone see that? Is that not the coolest fucking thing you're going to see? Look at it. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. There's no way. There's a 4-hour sell, but you're so far away from a 4-hour sell, you might as well just not bother. They all went down and touched their blue lines, unofficially called by me. It was just that they were just too far away and they hadn't done it. So nothing to call, nothing to play. This is what I'm going to call for you. 15-minute buy stop. Base it off the 5-minute blue line. Buy stop. All 3 indices. Fuck this shit. I'm going to hang out and hold. Buy stop. All 3 indices. Just hang out. You don't have to take it. If you don't want to take it, then don't take it. Buy stop. Buy stop. Da, 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 da. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Da, 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 da. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. I'm not gonna take the trade if it doesn't come up to it. I'm already locked into several trades, or 2 trades, 3 trades already. These are just, let me see gold. These are just in case. 15-minute buy stop gold. 15-minute buy stop gold. Can we enter it off a better line? Yep, that 30-minute would have been better. Fuck. 15.5. Just sit and wait. If it comes up, take the trades. If it doesn't come up, don't take the trades. We're in no rush here. Turtle wins the race every time. You're in the money on the buy stop US 30s. You're in the money on the buy stops US 30s. Take your money out of the buy stop US 30. You're in the money on the buy stop US 30. Take the money on the buy stop US 30. Can I be any clearer? Take your money out of the buy stop on US 30. Unless you opened up more than 1 trade, then keep one open and lock it in profit. You made money on your US 30 buy stop. Congratulations. There you go. Take your money out and run. Buy stop, buy stop. Let me see that gold again. Da, 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 da. Gold, gold, gold. And them dar hills, hills, hills. Gold in them. You should have already been in. This was my fault. I should have looked at gold and got you in off this tip right here. It went down and touched. Damn, you'd been in the money already on gold. That blows. Sorry. That's a 30-minute off the 30 minutes. So 15 minutes should have been your entry on the 15-minute out of 5-minute gold. Do you guys see the difference on that? Now you're too late. See, now you could have already been in the money, out of the money, and done with the trade. In and out. That's what you should have did. Oh, well, that's fine. We'll just wait. Gold. Let me see ERUSD real quick. ERUSD. Dot, 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 dot. ERUSD 1 minute, 5 minute was perfection. It was a sell stop. It was absolutely perfection. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop ERUSD. That's the one that tapped me out too, by the way. I'm out of that trade. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. All right, well, that's all right. ERUSD 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop down to the 5 minute blue line. Could have swore I called that. 15 minute. ERUSD 30 minute buy stop. Let me zoom in a little. Buy stop. Buy. You're in the money on all buy stops. You're in the money on all buy. You're in the money on NAS buy stop. You're in the money on NAS buy. You're in the money on US 30 buy stop. You're in the money on all buy stops. Fuck the news. Fuck the news. Fuck the news. Fuck the news. You're in the money on all buy stops. You're in the money on all buy stops. Take the money out. You're in the money on all buy stops. Take your money out. You're in the money on all buys. Take the money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. You're in the money on all buy stops. Holy shit. Please, please buy the system. Please. Good morning, Azar. Boom. I took gold already out. What is their news? I don't know. Fuck the news. Whatever that news was just made us rich. There's your money on that. There's your money, US 30. There's your money, NAS 100. There's your money this morning. Woo! Look at that shit. Look at that shit. We just made another shitload, ladies and gentlemen. Another shitload. Another shitload. Told you. Told you. Fuck the news. We make the news our female dog. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Who called it? Who called it? Who called the news? There's your money. There's your money. Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. Take your, let me see, ERUSD. Take that money out. Take that money out. Don't stay in those trades. Let's see gold. Yeah, don't stay in these trades any longer than you have to. You made thousands of dollars right there. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Nice. Please buy the system for yourself, for your family members, for somebody you know and love. That's how you make your money. That's how you get in and out of the trades. You don't have to stay in the trades long. You're up thousands of dollars. Just get the fuck out and run. Take that money and run. What's up, user 244? Is that Ray? Good morning, Ray. We can all be done right now for the day. Absolutely. All of you should be done. That little movement up, pop. Take that money. Done. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Nice. Good morning, Lock. We are done when everyone is still just having their coffee. I know, right? That was gorgeous. Little pop up. All you needed. Made your 1,000 here, 1,000 there, 2,000 there. Bingo, bapo, bango. I do believe that was about $9 grand for me. I'm starting to see a little sun. Although it looks like rain today. Little overcast rain today. Little overcast rain. That was nice. Does it get any prettier than making that much money that quickly and get in and out? Wow. If any of you got greedy and held those trades, you might be in a world of hurt. Hopefully you did not. Hopefully you did not. Awesome. Let's swing over and see how it looks on our handy dandy trading view. Handy dandy. Handy dandy. All right. Let's look at US 30 right here. We're going to go down to the 1 minute here. We're going to reset our chart views. I'm starting to learn this. I'm starting to learn it. We can make this. We're going to go down to 30-second time periods now. And let's see how it looks here. Maybe we can get something on a little sell stop here off this. Let's see right here. Yep. 30-second sell stop. What is this, US 30? Yep, US 30. 30-second sell stop, US 30 to the blue line. NAS 30-second sell stop also, but it's already hit its blue line. 30-second sell stop, SPX to its blue line. Let's just see if we can see right here. Let's just see if we can see. If you don't want to play the 30 seconds, we just made a shit ton of money on those 1 minute buys. The 1 minute buys just paid off beyond comprehension. I hope you all made money on the simple little movement up right here on the 1 minute. Let's go over to the 1 minute. Was enough to net me about $9,000. That movement right here, pop, pop. That's all you needed. Just perfection. Wow. Very, 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 very happy. Wow. Off of yesterday and then today. Utterly, stunningly amazing. And I still have a NAS buy open. I still have an SPX. I'm sorry. I have a NAS buy open and I have a gold buy open still open. That was wonderful. That was fun. I hope you all made some money on it. I just want to see this real quick. See if we can get this 30-second in real quick. Kind of touched it. Kind of. These are 30 seconds, so be careful with these. One of our members is still perfecting the 15-second trades, and then these are 30-second candles. Now, can we get anything on gold? Hold on. And I'm supposed to check silver. Fuck. Let me go back. I'll come back to these. Give me just a second. Still, by the way, 1 minute. Okay, let's see something really quick. Sorry. Sell stop, 1 minute to the blue line, all three indices. Sell stop to the blue line, all three indices. Still, 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. Still, 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. Still, 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. Now I have to look at silver. Hold on. Silver. Let me go to silver. Hold on. Crypto, stocks, negative, energy, metals. There we go. Silver and gold, silver and US dollar, silver. Here we go. Silver. Silver. Here we go. Silver. 1 minute, silver. Sell stop to the blue line. 1 minute, silver. Sell stop to the blue line. It did it once. It's going to ricochet off. Blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Down, up. It's going to do this. Ricochet. Come up over to here. Hook and come back down like that. Now I can verify that with our the 5 minute. Hold on 1 second. I don't want to over jump on that. But that is absolutely what that's looking like. Yeah, I can live with that one. 1 minute, 5 minute. Yep. 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute sell stop silver. 5 minute, 15 minute sell, buy stop silver. You're going to see it's hooked down, touch the blue line. It's going to arch up now. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop silver. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. Off the 30 minute yellow line, buy stop silver. 1 hour, nothing. Four hour sell stop. 4 hour daily. Silver. 4 hour daily sell stop. Silver. Weekly, maybe forming a weekly buy. It is. Silver, weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. So that's silver for you. Was that good, Miss Magumbi? I hope I answered your question on silver. Let's go back up again. Let me see EURUSD real quick. EURUSD. EURUSD. One minute, 5 minute sell. EURUSD. 15 minute buy. EURUSD. More incredible. Yeah, it's going to dip down a little bit more. This doesn't come down enough. 30 minute buy, technically. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. What is this? EURUSD. I think I already have this open. But let me drop in another one this far this way. Let it keep coming down. As it comes down, you have to move your orders down with that, okay? All right. So that's ERUSD. Let's go to SPX real quick. 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. SPX 500. 5 minute buy stop. Yeah. All right. Let's play around with that one. Why don't we? 5 minute buy stop. SPX. NAS 100. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. I might even drop one in over here. Be careful with this one. This isn't going to be, I would be very careful with this. Be extremely careful with this sell stop I'm showing you. I would not do the sell stop, to be clear. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy stop, NAS. Oh, shit. Just bolted into the money. All NAS 100 buys are in the money. Close down the NAS 100 buys unless you opened up more than one. All of them went in the money. $300, $400, $500, $700. All NAS buy stops are in the money. Close down your NAS buy stops unless you've opened up more than one. Please listen to me. Okay? Please listen to me. You just made a shit ton of money on those NASs. US 30. US 30, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. US 30, more importantly. 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy stop. Be careful with these. If you make fucking 5 pips off these trades, take the money and get the fuck out. Don't stay in these trades any longer than you have to. 1 minute sell. Let me see NAS now. I'm telling you, you guys got to be extremely careful with these trades. NAS, 1 minute sell. NAS, 5 minute buy. Be careful of how you're trading these. You literally just made hundreds and hundreds of dollars, or at least, I don't know, 5, 10 pips on that buy. Don't get suckered in. Get out of the trades. Now, the sell is just now. Am I sell engaged? Hold on. The NAS 100, be careful with these. Take that money and run. And meaning, be careful. If you make 2 or 3 or 4 pips right now, close down every one of your trades. Leave the other ones open. That's all I can tell you. Quit horse shitting around and trying to, I'm going to hold this one for 300 pips. No, you're not. No, the fuck you're not. No, you are not. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money. 1 minute sells, all 3 indices. 5 minute buys, more importantly, all 3 indices. ... Let me see if SPX is doing anything. One minute sells to the blue line, all 3 indices. 5 minute buys, all 3 indices. If you don't like those, let's look at ERUSD again. Nothing you can do. You're either in that buy or you're not. There's a 15-minute buy stop. Clear as day can be seen, ERUSD. Hopefully you take that money and run on that one. Take that money and run, honey. Let me see gold. Thank God I remember to call out silver for. I hope she. Oh, great, Arlene. I'm glad you caught that. I'm glad that you were here for that. What are we looking at? Gold, 1 minute. Yep. 5. You're in the money on your buy stop on gold. 5 minute buy stop on gold. You're in the money on your gold buy stop. You're in the money on the ERUSD buy stop. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Nice morning. In and out, in and out. Money, 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 money. You're in the money on the US 30 buy stop again. You're in the money on the US 30. Close it down again unless you have more than one trade open. Then keep it open. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money. You're in the money on all NAS buy stops. You're in the money on the ERUSD buy stop. You're in the money on the SPX buy stop. Close those trades down. Close those trades down unless you have more than one open. Close those trades down unless you have more than one open. You're in the money. Take the money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Let's see. 1 minute, nothing. 5 minute, nothing. 1 minute, sell stop. 5 minute buy stop. Again, you're in the money on all buy stops. Close those trades down on gold, on US 30, on NAS, on SPX, on ERUSD. Take the money and run. Unless you have more than one open, then you can leave it open. Thank God for this stream, says Dyson Prod. Well, I'm glad you like it, Dyson. Runner, not rubber. Congrats on the score yesterday. Good, sir. Followed your instructions since Monday night. Was able to replicate exactly what you did on US 30 with smaller losses. Nice. My runner early. Nice, Damian Hall. Congratulations, Damian. I'm not even sure Damian's in the fucking system. Good morning, Mark Davies. My account is up over 10% today. I've only been trading for an hour. Thank you. Nice, Jason L. Congratulations, Jason L. Good morning, Tanny B. Good morning, Dr. Mike. Good morning, my brother. Everybody loved our video yesterday, our live yesterday. Good morning, Nasty Nate. Good morning, Kayla Bastian. Hi, how much is the system? $575. I'll bring it over to you. Do you have any other questions? In the money on your NAS buy. In the money on your NAS buy for like the 15th millionth time this morning. Take the money and run. This is how much the system is. Sorry, it's right over here. It's $575 for the year. You'll get a type form on what you need to do and how to set everything up. If you buy the system today, every week the training is at Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Small group. You'll be in with about 15 to 150 other people. And then I train you, and then you get continuing ed. You get continuing free training live with me, by the way. Those are live trainings with me every Monday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After I'm done with the beginner's class, I do the advanced training. And the advanced training is just refreshing and showing you and going over things. System costs $575 a year. If you want the sniper, it's $150 a month. Please understand that I am not a financial advisor, that everything I say here is 100% complete bullshit. None of it is true. None of it is accurate. Nothing here is real. It's all fake. It's all make-believe. Just so we're all clear and on the same page. Of course, with that being said, I think I have pretty much 100% pretty good win rate since coming on YouTube, all documented. Every trade I've ever done or have done or was either called out by me live or traded with me live with you guys. Currently, we do have some trades open. You're in the money on all buy stops except your US 30. I wouldn't take it. Well, I would, but I mean, I wouldn't be in it. NAS is in the money. Now, hold on. I got to get out of here. But that's where you go. safetrade.com. That's where you go to buy it. And there you are. Now, back to what we need. Buy stop. Is this NAS? Who is this? What have we buy? Oh, US 30, US 30, US 30. US 30 is in the money. US 30 is in the buy stop money. US 30 is in the money. Your 5-minute buy stop is in the money. NAS in the money. NAS is in the money. SPX is in the money. Would you guys close these fucking trades down, please? Take your money and run. NAS is in the money. ERUSD is in the money. SPX is in the money. NAS is in the money. US 30 is in the money. Gold's in the money. How many more do you need? How much more do you need? How many times do I have to keep saying we're in the money? We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at the money being made. Boy, who the fuck has been on the roll the last 2 days? Who the fuck has been on the roll the last 2 fucking days? Okay, every day for the last year. Who the fuck has been on the roll for the last ever that I can remember? Look at this fucking money. Look at this money. Who's in the money, honey? Look at this money. Look at that. All those buy stops. Now close these fucking trades down. I'm going to close a couple trades down. I do want you to see them, however. So here you go. I'm going to close a couple of my trades down. I just want you to see the ones I have open. There they are. Matter of fact, let's pop this one off. Let's pop this one off. I'm going to pop this one off. I'm going to take this one. We're going to close this one. We're going to close this one. And let me see. I don't know what my remaining ones are. Hold on. Let me see. I'm not sure. I got to see which ones I have that are which. Buy NAS, buy NAS. I'm going to close down one of my NASs. I'm going to close down, let's see, I'm going to close down one of my US 30s. And that's it. The rest are beautiful. I'm going to hold. And we're going to lock in and hold. So we're done. That's my money for this morning. You saw how many trades I had open. Taking profit or locking in profit on everything at this point. Take your money and run, please. Take your money and run. That isn't just a cute little song. Take your money and run, please. Take your money and run. ERUSD. Nice. I mean, you can't ask for better trades than this. You're in the money on everything called out live. You were in the money on gold. You made money. You made money on US 30. You made money. You made money on NAS. You made money. You made money on SPX. You made money. You made money on ERUSD. You made money. All of these are just called out live. All of these were just traded with you live. All of these just made you, well, made me thousands of dollars. There it is. Oop, there it is. Oop, there it is. Come on now, really? Look at that shit. Look at that. Just gorgeous, but whatever. All right. I hope all you made some money. Bob Hooten says 100%. Go, Kev. I'm closed. Nice, Mike. I hope you made some money, my brother. Did you make some money? And I'll get you hooked up with Nadex later. I promise. We'll get you into this. I don't know why we didn't open it last night, but we'll get you in there. All right. Thank God for the system. Dr. Gross says, buy the system. Buy the system. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Ken. Zero, great morning. Good morning, Zero. Morning, Kev. Miss Noble, you made some money. Awesome. Congratulations. One of the biggest mistakes I used to make was trading way too much. I make about 4 trades a day typically and get the hell out and over trade. Amen. You just want to, I would never be trading this often or this much. 1 to 2 trades a day, maybe 3, because usually I'm trading all 3 indices at once. So I would either do probably 2 to 3 trades or 4 trades in a day, just like you said. Amen. Now, if you left your trades open, that's perfect and fine. You just need to put in your take profits and lock and loaded. Lock and loaded. Okay, here we go again. This is our trades right here. Still open right now at this point. I'm going to close down another trade here. This is a US 30. Pop. We're taking that money out too. Now, it's not that I don't think it's going to run, but every time I can make $1,000 or $2, I'm taking the money, and plus I'm in longer-term trades anyways. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's not that I don't think these trades are going to continue to go up. They are. That's not the point of what we're talking about at this point. So now I have 1 US 30 open from today. And I have my NAS open from yesterday. And then this is another buy US 30. I'm going to close this one down too. So now I have 1 trade open from today, 2 open from yesterday, and I just made a fucking ton of money. So let's take a look. In a book, reading Rainbow, I can do anything. It's Schminna Schmuck. It's Schminna Schmuck. I can do anything. All right. Hope you all making some money on these trades. Currently, I have 1 trade open from this morning, still running, up $3,000. I have a gold buy trade open, and I have a NAS trade open for $12,000. My last, I don't know what these are, 8 or 10 trades right here. Right here. These are my last 8 or 10 trades. I don't know what that is, whatever that is. And I had some, I closed out the trades. $2,000, $1,600, $900, $742, $224, $86, $227, $61. Those are my last, whatever, 8 trades, 10 trades. Current trades that I have currently open right here is $3,000 from this morning, $12,000, $12,700 from yesterday, $2,570 from yesterday. All these are buys. Well, I guess, can I pull this over? I'd rather not show the account value, though. Hold on. I'll do this. I'll pull these up. So, again, the last trades, those are all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all those, whatever that is, 8 or 10. That's till I moved the other ones. I closed down the other sell stops. If you forget and you leave your sell stops open, you get your ass handed to you. So let's go over here, and I'll pull these open too so you can see the whole trade. I just don't want to show the account value. It's super high. This account that I'm in right now was under $29,000 when I first started. These are the trades. This is the time into the trades. The last remaining ones right here, right there. This is the one that's current. These are the one from yesterday. These are my times in it. So there you go. How gorgeous what they gave. They gave us free money. They think they're smart asses by trying to collect all of our stop losses, but they didn't. All they did was make us fucking richer and richer and richer. And those are the trades open. These are the only trades I have open. I can show you that right here. And there you go. Those are my only trades I have open. So those are my last 8, 10 trades, and those are my trades I have open. I also have two trades going in a demo account on Nadex. Both are in the money right now. These are my Nadex accounts that I opened with you guys, I don't know, a couple days ago. Was it Monday, I think? These are those trades right here. One is a buy on Wall Street 30, and one is a sell on crude oil, and those are open. And those are the ones. So those are all the trades I have currently over here. They're not obviously all the trades that I have because I have several accounts. Like, I don't know, is it like 11 accounts I think I'm up to? But there you go. And that's all the trades. Now, you just thank God. Buy the system, says Tom Williams. I agree. Is today Free Money Wednesday or is it just me? It is. Free Money Wednesday. It really is. Nadex, I want knowledge. Yes, I can show you how to do Nadex. Please buy the system. Absolutely. Boom, NAS, ATM. Amen. This is it. This is how you make money. Here's your gold in the money. Buy stop. Told you what to do as it was happening. US 30. Buy stop. Look at that fucking shit. How much money is this? That is up 60 pips. Pre-market open after the shitty ass news. Give me a joke. News is a joke. News, we bend to our will. NAS, we're in a buy, but it's way back here. This is our buy. And thank God it didn't tap me out. I was like, please don't tap me out. Please don't tap me out. 15-minute buy stop, by the way. This has been called out. Not only did I call it out, but let's take a look. Where do you want to take a look? In our scanners. In our scanners. We can scan anything because guess what it called? Exactly what I called. These are scanners. This is what's made up by Keith. Keith has made these scanners up so picture perfect that they trade as good as I do. Why is that? Because they're trained like me. They're coded by me. These are why this is me coded. This scanner is me coded. The 1 minute buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop on gold. Gee, let's look at Forex. ERUSD. Look at it. Buy stop 15 minute. By the way, there must be a sell coming up on that one. Look, gold, buy, 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 buy. But surely it can't be calling out the 1 hour, 4 hours. Yep, it surely can. Right there. Sell, 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 4 hours. Sell, 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 4 hours. There it is. The scanner is worth its weight in billions of gold. Now, I know some of you don't trade a lot of different symbols, then don't get the scanner. But if you trade any amount of symbols, more than 2 or 3 symbols, I would strongly recommend you get the scanner. Strongly recommend you get it's $50 a month, and it pay for itself one tiny little trade. What everyone's doing these days is they take the scanner information right here, say on NAS or wherever we look for one that's current, whenever it's flipping around and it's spinning, whenever this is spinning, right here. They would go to New Zealand CAD right here, or Odd Chef Sell Stop, or Odd CAD, or CAD Chef, or Euro Chef, or look at them all, or Euro New Zealand. Look at how cool GBB News. Look at this fucking scanner. Has anyone out there in the history of have any of you seen anything as good as this ever? GBB New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Chef. And what they do is they take any one of these hundreds of things you just saw, right? And what do? They take it and they put it in. Look, GBB New Zealand, 1 minute. And then they come over to here onto TradingView, and they plug it in so they can see it on the sniper for $150 a month. Holy shit. Are you kidding? Then if they see it on the sniper as a buy, they take the trade and they make their money. It's the most incredible system. So one is you don't even have to worry about trading. You get the sniper or you get the scanner. You trade like me. This is comparing both time frames, the 1 minute and the 5 minute. This is trading to the blue line. This scanner does everything better than 99% of all of you. Well, 90% of all of you. Some of you have gotten pretty proficient, I guess. It trades crypto, Forex, stocks. It's amazing. It's outstanding. There's nothing better in the history of the world I've ever seen with a scanner with this system, any kind of system, ever. Unbelievably accurate, unbelievably exact, unbelievably correct. Trading all 8 time frames, hundreds of symbols. Look at it. Now, none of these are SS1s. But if there were, we'd pull it up and take a look. But it's still accurate. It's telling us it's just not it's a 3. That's all. Look at them all. Just amazing. So you take the scanner information here. You go over to TradingView right here. You go plug in your symbol right here. See what you want to find. Boom. Plug it in. Pop. Put it in. Go to your time period that you set to trade on, 1 minute, 5 minute, or whatever. Speaking of which, I wonder if I get Keith to do 30-second on that scanner. Anyone in the scanner room, by the way, for the $50 a month, or if you're in the sniper room, you get the 2 out of 3 scanner. Speaking of which, I haven't set that up yet. Gosh darn it. Set up 2 out of 3 scanner. Set up blue line scanner. Blue line scanner. I've been meaning to do that for the last 2 days. I haven't done it. Damn, done it. But I will now. All right. But anyway, so that's what they do. And it's just gorgeous. This is a buy stop. What am I in over here? Yep, there you go. Let's see. So let's take a look at how this trade transpired. This is a 30-second, 1 minute one right here. We can show you very easily. Let me see. This is the 1 minute right there. See, I do like TradingView for this too. That's why you're going up. That's why currently right here. Yep, I knew it would be up. We're in the money so much on that US 30 trade. Yes, I could have left that open longer. But no, I did not want to. I had multiple open. I'm more than happy taking off the top, whatever the hell that was, like $8,000, $9,000. There you go. I still don't have the scanner, but I still trade just like Kev. Nice, Kev. Hi, Kevin. I'm Kevin too, and I trade just like Kevin. Nice, Kev. All right, Zero. You don't need it, but the scanner is amazing. It's amazing. I'm going to get the system. Nice, Dyson. Very good decision, my friend. Welcome aboard. Tom Williams said, good choice, Dyson. That's true. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Look at it go up before you guys saw this trade at 0, and now you see this trade at 5,000. This is US 30, by the way. Just look at it. It's just utterly, stunningly, fantastically amazing. That's all I can tell you. Look at it. There it is. And this is the power of the system. This is the power. Now, I'm going to show you why and how these trades work, what they did at open, how the news is full of bullshit. It's just so basically easy. It's crazy. God bless you, Shas. God bless each and every one of you. TikTok, any questions before I go to my explanation? YouTube, any questions, concerns, or comments? Anyone get tapped out in a trade? Anyone at all get tapped out in a trade? Anyone at all get tapped out of a trade? Anyone at all get tapped out of a trade? Anyone at all get tapped out of a trade? Anyone at all? Does anyone have any questions about a trade? Anyone have anything about a trade? Anyone at all have any questions about a trade? I got tapped into a sell on NAS And that was an $1,100. No, it was a $1,700 loss on that one, by the way. Thanks for being so clear. Nope, all blue today. Teach it, bro. They like when you came on, Mike. You should come back on. Set my take profit 4-hour blue line on gold. Nice. Nope, gold had a 4-hour sell. I will look at that. Can you use on a funded con? Yes, sir. You went for the buy. Yes, sir, I did. Went for the buy. On what, Sergio? What do you mean? Can you? I need to know your symbol and your time of the trade so I can get it in the chart time that you're trading on. Can you use it on funded accounting? We have some of our guys. Tommy has 2 $1 million funded accounts. We have guys that have 8, 10, 12 funded accounts. So yes, sir, you can use it on. Yes, sir. So you played 1 minute buy stop from blue line on NAS 100. Can you go over the 15-minute 1-hour trade? Absolutely, EA8851. Jay, so you played the 1 minute buy stop from the blue line on NAS 100. No, that's not how I did at 831. Hi, Kevin. Can you look at the 1 and 15-minute chart for SPX? Can you look at the 1 and I can't see that question, I Spy Tech, but I will. Can you use it in funded account? Yes. All right, I'll answer those in order. Let's do it. I'm going to show you my last, I think these are my last 20 trades, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that's what that is. I like my body. Da, 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 da. What advice you have for super small accounts that struggle with the lack of margin handle small flexes? I lose on small flex for correct calls. Right. That is hard. What you're doing is you're trading the wrong symbol. I would either trade ERUSD or I trade SPX, and I'd only use 0.01 lot sizes, and you'd have to grow maybe a 0.02 on ERUSD or something, and then grow it up. I used some real small accounts last week and the week before. I used real small accounts. I mean, some of my accounts were so small, it was under $200. I know the one account was like under $150. But yeah, you have to grow those real slowly. Really, really, really slowly. These are my last 20 trades or ish right here. These are my last 20 trades. Right there, you can see the $1,700 one. That's the one that was caught. This one was a win. I just closed it too early. I was snapping when I was closing off those trade things fast. It just moved like that. That's all. And these are the last 20. These are 12,000, 12,000. Sorry, I don't know if you can see all those. These are these. These are those. Those are these. That's the losses. There's the wins from this morning. Those are the wins from this morning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 17, 27, 35, about $35,000 up on those last trades. Okay. Now, someone wanted me to go over everything. So I played, can you go over the 15-minute 1-hour trade? 15-minute 1-hour trade. On what EA8551? Can you go over the 15-minute 1-hour trade? I don't know. On what symbol would you like me to do that on? I'm sorry. I will look at the 1530, but I don't know what symbol you mean. EA8851 just asked me for what symbol that is, and I will go over it. So you played the 1-minute buy stop from blue line on NAS 100. So let's look at NAS 100 real quick. I think my babe is sexy. When this happened, no. When this happened, this was a 1-minute sell stop. If you're talking about after the news, JO, absolutely not. This was a 5-minute, clearly a 5-minute buy stop right here. Absolutely 100% textbook buy stop. Well, for a sniper entry anyway, so let's take a look. This was a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. So take a look right here. Actually, this wasn't even that. Da 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 da. Can we do that? I don't know. Let me see real quick. Yeah, we can. All right. So this is a 5 minute. This is a kind of almost a 5. Let me zoom in a little bit for you so you can see it clear. It was. Oh shit. This is you don't even need it. So what you have right here, without the sniper on the 5 minute, you have green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. That's as basic as what you can do. At the time, this wasn't a buy at the 1 minute. It was a sell 1 minute. So it was a 1 minute sell to the blue line, but it already hit it. I told you guys to dip down and do that. And then it was by the way, 5 minute buy stop again, 5 minute buy stop again, NAS 100, 5 minute buy stop again. So that's NAS. So, but if you wanted to see how the sniper worked with it, which is a lot easier and better, let's go back to here. Let's go back to here. Let's go back to there. Now look, the sniper right here. Oh, we didn't have a dip down, did we? Oh, that's interesting. Well, it was a good. The blue pulled back. Blue was flat up here. Boom. Blue pulled back down here. Buy stop. Every 3 out of the 4 we hit. I would have taken that trade every day, twice on Tuesday. Evidently 3 times on Wednesday. And there it is. Buy stop 1 minute. Let me make a couple calls here, but that's how that looked. So no, that's incorrect. I was not playing a 1 minute buy. Now, what you should have done on this trade is gone up, but I can't do everything at once. So if I would have saw this sneakily touchdown right here, I would have entered the trade down here on a buy, and we would have been up even more pips. But I missed that. I couldn't see all my time frames at once. I'm not that good, so I missed it. That's all. Hi, Kev. Can you look at the 1 minute and 5 minute charts on SPX? Sure. Let's look at the SPX charts. Da, 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 da. 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute. Now, back when this happened right here, right afterwards, I called the 1 minute sell. But are we looking at what time period? But then I said, nope, we're going to go ahead and go for that buy stop because that's what it looks like. So let's go to the 5 minute buy right here. Da, da, da. This was clearly and distinctly the no sniper needed. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, up it went. Perfect. Perfection. If you want to use a sniper, it would have been a 5 minute, probably a 5 minute, 30 minute buy stop. Blue line arched down. Let me see down here. Nope, 15 minute was it up? I think it was. Let's see. Da, 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 da. Yes, that is correct. So blue line down, blue line up, buy stop. There it is. And that's what it was. Amy Lou, what advice do you have? Joseph Temperino. Yes. Can you explain leverage? Leverage and margin. 500 to 1 is the best you want to do. In America, the best you can do are 1 to 500. The best you can do is 50 to 1. In America, if you use Forex.com or any of the brokers in America, they are dang well determined to keep you broke. They have a day trader rule or a day rule or whatever the fuck rule. You can't trade 3 times more than like in a week. You have to carry $20,000 in your account at all times, or you can't trade more than 3 times in a week. And then when they do it, they only do 50 to 1 leverage. They do everything to keep us down where you cannot make money. So they are the biggest scammers on the face of this earth. They want everyone not to make money. Their logic is, oh, they're doing it for our safety. So they don't, so you don't lose too much money. We're grown fucking adults. If we want to lose fucking money, we can. How about that? They're doing it to keep us down so you can't make money. But if you want to use Forex.com, you can. Nadex.com is in America that you can do that too. And you can make money on Nadex.com. Absolutely. Now, margin. That's just what you put. Do you ever have margin calls? Hell fucking no. I've never had a margin call in a day in my life. I've been trading 9.5 years. I never had one margin call a day in my life. Now, if you're trading in think or swim and you're using options and you're out there and you have theta decay and you have well, you can do a naked option too, but you're doing some puts or calls on options and you have it out there and you have it out with a $5,000 account. You have $4,500 worth of options. I don't even know let you do that anymore. And you have it in there, and of course they go the other direction. You can get what's called a margin call, where you have to cover that.
I wouldn't recommend trading like that. I don't trade like that. Hope that helps. 1 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute buy stops on all three indices. Hope that helped you, Joseph Tamburno. If you have another question, please ask. Amy Lou, let's go back to Amy. 10 minutes to market open, 10 minutes to market open. I literally just showed you how to make tens of thousands of dollars. We made it live, and you guys still want to play the market open. Fuck me, God almighty. All right. E85 said NAS. All right, let's go to NAS. And what was the question he said? 1 minute, 5 minute. Let me go back and see. He said 1 minute, 5 minute. Now you got it. When you ask your questions, please have the day, the time, and all that stuff in there. Can you go over the 15-minute, 1 hour trade? 15-minute, 1 hour trade on NAS? Sure. 15-minute, 1 hour. Let's shrink this back down. Let's go to 15-minute. Let's go to 1 hour. Now, you want me to explain it with or without the sniper? I guess it doesn't matter. Here's 15-minute up here. I don't know why it says 30. It's so weird. Don't get lost into that one. All right, so here you go. 15-minute, 1 hour. You have 15-minute, 1 hour. So your 1 hour with the sniper is how I would look at it. 1 hour. Number one thing you have to see is you have to see the blue line is flat on the 1 hour. Boy, is it. Flat, 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 flat. Number two, you need to see the opposite, which if you look at the 15-minute, it is opposite. Now, I'm not so sure it is a 15-minute 1 hour if it's a 30-minute 1 hour. This is more likely a 30-minute. You can see the dip right here, but whichever. Let's see. Yeah, see how it went down right here against the flat? It's a 30-minute. But if you're misreading it, you're on a 15-minute. That's fine. So right here, this is all flat. So this is completely and utterly flat. Look at it. It dipped down, flat line, flat line, flat line. You had to know this was going to be a buy because the sniper is doing it, and you had so 3, did the pink line dip down with it? Yes, it did twice right here and here. 4, was there a buy stop? This whole thing right here, EA, is one big buy stop. You can literally see, can you guys see this? Let me zoom in just a little bit. I hate to do that, but you see right, there's one right here. Look, there's a buy stop right here. Oop, that little red dot, green, green, green. Oopsie, hold on, let me show you. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. There's another red dot right here. Green, 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 red, buy, green, green, buy stop. And henceforth it went up. It's as simple as that. That's your up. So yes, it either did it without the sniper, boom, or it did it with the sniper. And either way, you always have to follow the rules. Let's start back from the basics again. I serve some of you guys, not you, EA, but just some people. It's just crazy how they forget what we're looking for. The sniper, whether it's the sniper or anything, we are looking for price action to do this. Watch. We need to see our logo. So price started, I'm not going to go back there, but price started below, way back here somewhere. It started back below here. Zoop, it came up, right? Came back down, formed a logo, and up she went. So that's it. That's your buy. Look on here on the 1 hour. Price started underneath, came up, re-challenged, came back up, re-challenged, 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 and came back up. That is the definition. So once you see, number one, once you see our logo form, do I have time to teach you? I don't really have time to teach all this, sorry, but you would look for our logo, look for it on the 1 hour, make sure it's there on the 15, or better yet, in this case, would have been a 30-minute entry. You should see that clearly. You know, that's the way it laid out with this thing dipping down. See the dip right here on the 2, on the blue, and then the 3 dipped, and then the 4 was a buy stop. So that's it. I don't know how I can make it any clearer, but that's without the sniper. With the sniper, I could go over to TradingView if you want me to, but I'm kind of pressed on time. I want to make sure we get that in. You're welcome, Joseph. So back to Amy Lou. Quickly, then I'm going to go call these out to make sure we're all on the same page. Amy Lou, a small account. This is what happens. You're trying to do too big of you're trying to use NAS or US 30. Hopefully you're not using US 30, but you're trying to use NAS instead of using like gold, a 0.01 gold, instead of a 0.01 SPX, instead of you need to give yourself that room so you can eat those 20, 30 pips when it goes against you the wrong way, even though you're in the right trade. Like for instance, let's just go to US 30. Let's say you're and by the way, you're probably trying to play at too high a time frame too. That also matters. Let's go to US 30. Let's go to US 30 right here. Okay, inside of this, well, let's go back to yesterday. Inside of this one candle right here, 15-minute candle, is 139 pips. So if you were trying to play a 0.01 US 30 and you had 130, you had $200 in your account, you literally, well, you might have been able to hold it, but they wouldn't let you trade it. So, but if you had $200 in your account, let's say you were trading NAS. Let's go to NAS, probably a better example for you. We go to NAS. We come up here. Here, there's a down candle right here. Look at this one candle. This one candle is 100 pips, 108 pips. This one candle right here could wipe out a small account by itself if you're trying to trade it. Whereas if you go over to something like SPX, that's why I always have beginners trade SPX. This same candle right here would have cost you $20. So if you had a $200 account and you were trying to play around with this, or you can go over to these ones right here, this right here, and you could have taken these, you could have made whatever, $20, right? Or you could have lost $20 in this one. But if you take that same trading time, the same thing right here, these two candles, that's $200, $191. You'll get your entire account wiped out. So two things: play a smaller time frame, go down to the 1 minute, 30 seconds, 1 minute. So you have TradingView, do a 1 minute, 3 minute, or a 1 minute, 5 minute. Play those because you won't have to eat as much on your stop losses to eat that. And then play not a big, like ERUSD, same thing. Like if you play any currency pair, really, if you play any currency pair, these little candles right here are nothing. This would be 20 pips. Gold, same way on a 0.01. And just do 0.01 lots is how I would look at it. Look at ERUSD go. Who's in the money? I should have never closed that fucker down. Who's in the money on the ERUS buy stop? I hope that helped to you. Helped Amy Lou. And I hope that helped you, EA851. Can you use it in funny kinds of... Okay, now. 4 minutes. All right, here we go. Gold. This is what we're going to call out gold for the open. Gold for the open. That already looks like it's already in the money when we are. 1 minute, buy. 1 minute buy, gold. 1 minute buy, gold. It's already should have been in that trade. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15. Ah, shit. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes. Okay. Don't play market open. Rule number 1. If you're going to play market open, lock in your profit like you see me do. Rule number 2. Number 3, if you're going to play it, you got to move fast and furious. You got to move. 1 minute buy, 4 minute sell, a 4 hour sell. 1 minute buy, 4 hour sell, gold. US 30. 1 minute buy, US 30. 1 minute buy, US 30. 1 minute buy, US 30. To the 1 hour blue line, US 30. 4 hour sell, US 30. 4 hour sell, US 30. NAS 100. 1 minute buy. But boy, do I like that going down to the blue line. Ooh, that looks tempting. 5 minute buy. You should already be in the trade. 15 minute, 30 minute buy, 30 minute buy, 30 minute buy. 4 hour sell stop. NAS 100. SPX. 1 minute buy. 5 minute buy. 15 minute. They're really nothing. I mean, you should be 15 minute, 30 minute. 1 minute buy to the 1 hour blue line. SPX 500. Well, all of them technically. 4 hour sell stop. All of them. There you go. ERUSD, you should already be in the money. There's nothing you can do about this one. ERUSD, nothing. 1 minute, it is nothing. Wait for it to pull back and do a 1 minute buy if you want. 5 minute buy called out live. 15 minute buy called out live. 30 minute buy called out live to the 1 hour blue line is how I'd look at it. 4 hour sell stop. There you go. That's everything. Let's pull up US 30. Let's watch it over here. Let's put NAS down here. 1 minute. And let's see what she blows like. All right, here we go. If you want to, you can do an unofficial 1 minute sell to the blue line, all 3 indices. If you want to, I can go over to Nadex. I don't have time. Fuck. A minute left. You have 1 minute and 6 seconds left. Done. Thank you. I only play SPX gold and NAS sometimes 1 to 3. I'll stick with it. Amen. I would do 0.01s. 0.02s are really handy. When you see, okay, Amy Lou, let me give you a really good hint. The last forever, when you see 1 minute sells on all 3 indices, that's really good. At the same time, when you see 5 minute sells on all 3 indices, that's really, really, really good. When you see 15 minute sells, or in the last several days, last 3 or 4 days, 15 minute buys on all 3 indices at the same time, that's exceptional. And if that's verified on your other time frames. Now, Amy, I don't know if you have the sniper or not. If you don't have the sniper, I know it's $150 a month. I know that's a lot of money, but man, I would get it because that would solidify any entries also. But if you see the 3 of them in a row, 3 sells at the 3 times, 3 buys at the same time, you can open up a bigger trade. All right, market open here. Here we go. I would look for a pullback, 1 minute sell to the blue lines, and then 5-minute buys. 1 minute sells to the blue line, then 5-minute buys. Market open. 1 minute sell. If we can get a pullback, I'll get you in. 5-minute buys. 1 minute sells to the blue lines, 5-minute buys. See if you can make some money now. Now, I am already in 2 buys. I've already traded like way too many times this morning. I'm not doing it. So there you go. You're in the money on the NAS. You're in the money on the NAS buy. There's nothing you can do. 1 minute buy on US 30. 1 minute buy on US 30. Your NAS is in the money. Take your money and run. Close down the trade. There's no need to stay in the trade any longer than you have to. You're in the money on the NAS 1 minute buy. You're in the money on the NAS 1 minute buy. You're in the money on the NAS 1 minute buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. You're in the money on the SPX and NAS buy. 1 minute buy gold. 1 minute buy US 30. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30. Oh my goodness. Talking about free money giveaways. You're in the money. Here you go. Free money Wednesday it is. You're in the money on the NAS. Take the money out. Unless you're open up more than one order, take the profit out. You're in the money on the US 30. Unless you're in the take profit out. SPX again. You can re-enter SPX again. Buy. SPX 1 minute buy. Enter it again. What the fuck? NAS, you're in so much money you don't know what to do with it. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. You're up 20 pips, 26 pips. Take that money and run. Take the money and run. NAS, again, you can enter that in. US 30 profitable. NAS is profitable. SPX is profitable. I don't think I can get you an ERUSD unless it dipped. Nope, can't do anything with ERUSD. What's gold doing? Wow. 1 minute buy, stop gold. Yep. Gold's slow, steady, but it moves. Boy, does it move. US 30 in the money even more. NAS in the money even more. I have 2 trades open, both from yesterday. Both are up $15,000 and $2,400. I'm going to keep that money rolling, not taking it out unless it hits take profit, like did my other trades. There's my 2 trades I have open, the only 2 trades I've opened. I don't even have pending trades at this point. I do not have pending trades at this point. I do not have pending trades at this point. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money. Take it and close down these trades unless you have more than 1 open. If you have more than 1 open, close down 1 and keep the other ones running. Boom, in and out, says Aries. Aries made his money. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. I have the sniper and scan. Nice, Amy Lou. I'm not sure you need the scanner, Amy Lou. This is not a very good sales job. You might want to close down a scanner room and just keep the sniper, and then take that $50 a month and invest it into your trading account. That's how I would do it, Amy. You don't need the scanner if you're not trading a lot of different symbols. I would not. Now, it does help see the trades clear for you, but you've been with me a minute. I would save your money. I would take that $50 out, and I would use it and put that $50 a month into your trading account. That's how I would do it. And then use the sniper, and use the hell out of the sniper, and use the hell out of the sniper until you see exactly what you want to see. Hopefully y'all took the money out and you weren't greedy pigs on NAS, otherwise on US 30. Otherwise, you're back to break even again. Buy stop US 30. Yep, buy stop US 30. Take that money in. Now SPX again. Hopefully you took that money and ran. Take that money in, run, honey. Take that money in, run. There you go. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. Buy stop US 30. Is it off the 5 minute yet? Hold on. It is. 5 minute entry. 5 minute buy stop US 30. 5 minute buy stop US 30. You should have took that money out in the first place, but you didn't listen to me. You're greedy. Take the money out. Look at how much money you would have been up on this one. Don't give me no shit. Oh my gosh. Is that 90? Oh, that's 40. You'd have been up 40. You're in the money again. You're in the money on the 1 minute buy stop. You're in the money on the 5 minute buy stop. I'm telling you, US 30 was a 5 minute. I called it for you. You're in the money again on the 5 minute buy stop US 30. You're welcome. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. NAS, you're in so much money off the 5 minute buy, you can't help it. SPX, you're in so much money, you can't help it. ERUSD, you're in so much money you can't help it because that's prior. Gold, I don't think it's moved yet. It's being a turtle. Yep. Gold is doing shit. Buy stop 5-minute gold. Buy stop 5-minute gold. Buy stop 5-minute gold. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in shit tons of money on the NAS buy. Look at this. Everyone should be thanking God. Everyone on TikTok and YouTube should be thanking God. Amy Lou says, awesome. Thank you. Absolutely, Amy Lou. Absolutely. Yeah, this is how much I'm trying to hard sell people. I'm telling one of my members to stop giving me $50 a month and to use it for our own benefit. To use it for our own benefit. Not that the $50 a month isn't great. And if you have the $50 a month extra, you should have the scanner. It's the best thing in the history of the world. But if she's only trading 2 or 3 or 4 symbols, she doesn't need it. If you're trading 5 or 6 or 10 different symbols, or you're looking for money all day long and you're pretty much just love trading, then you need the scanner. You can't go wrong. I see one, thank God. No one on TikTok made any money. No one on TikTok wants to thank God for these buy stops you're in. No one. Interesting. Bam. Thank you, God, says Julius. Boom. Boom. Look at it go up. Boom. Look at it go up. Boom. Buy stop 5-minute. Now, can we get into a 1-minute sell? Do I want to risk that for you guys? I don't. I do not. I do not. I see a few more thank guys. There we go. I think somebody remembers their training. Aries, Nasty Nate, and Matt Parker. That's the rest of you. Patrick. Yep, Patrick's up there. Little Joe, Trent's baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now, I'm not going to stay on with you guys much longer at all. I'm about to leave y'all. That was my fun for the day. Does anybody have any questions before I get the roll on going on? Made you money all morning long. Made you money at the open. Don't play the open. It's too scary. Don't if you don't know how to trade it. If you do, bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. There's my trades. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo. Double my account in 3 days. Johan Soaz. Congratulations, Johan. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. BH8. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok? I'm heading over to YouTube for a few. Up on all trades this morning. Thank you so much for sticking with us, Kev. You're welcome, Johan. Always glad to be here and help you guys. Thank you, God. Yep. 0. Thank you, Jesus. Yep. Amen. Double my money. Yep. Thank God. Yep. Congrats. Nas. Thank you, Kev. Yep. I already trusted you, but this advice just made you family. Thank God for you having you cross my path. Aw. Well, Amy Lou, we got to get you making fucking money, woman. We got to get you making money. Amy Lou. Amy Lou. Amy Lou. We got him. I'm going to teach you some. What I'm going to do is I know people have, some of the people are still learning. They can't see everything clearly and all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is try to make like a little hybrid of the trades for us so that we can get all of you to trade really comfortably, very comfortably with like precision accuracy. We have the sniper. I'm going to make the sniper modified so that you can see it like on a certain time period, on a certain pair, you know, and that's it. You know, that kind of thing is what I'm going to do for you. All winners, Bridget Buckner. I love that. I'm glad we went up from 1% females on YouTube to 6%, but I really think we need to get to 50% females on YouTube. I really do. Can't thank you enough for what this has done for my family. You're welcome, Patrick, and I can't thank you enough for being here, my brother. All right, TikTok. No one else has any questions. Please buy the system for yourself if you haven't already. If you have already, please buy it for your wife or husband. We have one of our guys, Stevie's wife, Heather. I don't think she's lost in like 20 days. He just posted another win of hers the other day in our Discord. His wife has won every day since she's bought the system. That's incredible. And I mean money. She's making like $300 to $500 a day, or Steve might be able to correct me, but I think it's $300 a day is her goal or something. And she makes $300 to $500 a day trading every day and hasn't lost since she bought the system. So buy the system for your wife, buy the system for your children. If you don't have children, buy it for your nieces and nephews. Even if you have children, buy it for you. Can you imagine changing someone's young person's life? Hell, buy it for a neighbor. Buy it for a military guy that you know that's at home living on a military pension that needs money. Maybe instead of having our seniors, unless they want to, work, they can stay at home and do work. They can do this. Just saying. All right, that's my sales job. If no one else has any questions, I'm leaving. I'm going to go off of TikTok, heading over to YouTube. Yeah, Stevie's wife. I know, right? It's incredible. All right, TikTokers, thank you for being here. God bless you all. Lord willing, I'll be back on, maybe not later today, but definitely tomorrow morning, Lord willing. Hell yeah, we want everybody to win. Everybody wins. You get a TV. I get a TV. They get a TV. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo. Anyone on YouTube have any questions before I go? Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any concerns? Anyone have any trades they got hooked into? I showed you my 2 trades. Well, the one was just the thing. The one I got hooked into today where it caught me. But I actually, to be honest with you, I had too many lines open. I didn't remember which one was which. That's my losses. I have too many buy stops, sell stops open. I can't remember which is a buy and which is a sell. So it hooks down and grabs it. And I was like, oh, fuck, that's a win. And next thing I looked, that was a loss. I was like, fuck me. Yep, happens when it's moving quick like that. Gold 4-hour sell. I don't know what that means, but you want me to look at that? Is that what you're asking, Bridget? Let's take a look. 4-hour sell. But you just can't read a 4-hour sell on gold if that's what you're asking for. Gold is a 1 minute. Where's she blowing to? Hold on. Gold is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold is a 5-minute buy stop. Gold is a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. Gold is a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line, to the 1-hour blue line. 4-hour sell stop gold, but you're not engaged in that yet. 4 hours to the daily blue line. Yep. Correct. And then it's a weekly buy. My gold 5-minute buy stayed in too long. They are in red now. Yeah, don't do that. Bridget, don't do that. You don't want to do that. Hold on. Let me look at the 5-minute buy for it. Let's go over to 5-minute. Let's go over to 5-minute. So let's see. Yeah, so you were in the money. You were in the money. I'm sure you were, because you'd entered in somewhere either off the red or the yellow, and you'd have been up to here. You should have sold that. Now, is it gonna turn and come back up? Yes, most likely. Buy stop 5-minute gold. So if you can hang in there, I guess, try it. Neat thing about this is that you take the read setup up or down. If it doesn't happen, who cares? Yep, just lock it in. Yes, sir. Yeah, Bridget, as long as you were in profit and you end up losing, you kind of know you got a little greedy there. That's all. So as long as you had your profit, you should have took it or locked it in, broke even, something like that. Live to fight another day. That's how I look at it. All right. All right, guys. God bless. Take care. Have a great, wonderful day. Get out there. Enjoy the day. What a freaking awesome last couple of days this was. Whew, amazing. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Woo, what a morning. That was fucking fun. That was a blast. Where's that awesome?